How did that work out for you at school? I mean, the question I sent you originally was emotionally more than academically, but actually I'm quite interested in both because I know there's significant impact on both, right?
Do you know, it's really funny because it said, people with ADHD, the disparity, the difference between the things that we can do well and the things that we don't do well can be much bigger than neurotypical people. Again, I don't know how that's measured, but I know that I was either brilliant or terrible. And you know, like a lot of people, you'd excel in one area and not in another. So I'm good at writing, I'm good at do English, history, occasionally get into languages, but I did bunk off a lot, so I did miss a lot. But, you know, all of that side of things, drama, art, and then maths, not so much. I've got dyscalculia, all of that stuff. But what was really interesting in hindsight, what was really challenging at the time was that actually I could go into the same lesson on a different day and be a completely different person in terms of how much I could concentrate, what I could get done, how much I would contribute, if I could even understand what was going on, if I was just completely distracted and laughing with a friend. But for me, because my parents were quite strict, I really never wanted to get in trouble. My mum was a teacher, so education was really, really important. So I know that I was always going into those rooms and doing my very best, or at least doing my very best not to get in trouble. But on any given day, that would look so different, and very, very often I would get in trouble. And the thing is, you know, I used to say, before I knew about any of this, I was born with a capital T for trouble on my forehead. I never go looking for it, but it always finds me, and I'll always be the one that gets the blame. It's that, and it still follows me now.